Hey everybody, it's Stalwart12E, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of animal farming, but not the kind your grandpa might remember. We're talking cutting-edge tech, wild innovations, and a whole new era of food production. Get ready to have your minds blown. We're talking about 7 game-changing breakthroughs that are going to revolutionize how we raise livestock and meet the ever-growing global demand for food. And the best part? These advancements are all about doing more with less impact on the environment, less waste, and a better quality of life for the animals. So buckle up because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the future of farming. First up, we're talking precision livestock farming, or PLF for short. Imagine a world where farmers have superpowers, like X-ray vision to see inside their animals, or the ability to predict the future of their health. With PLF, it's becoming a reality. We're talking about using high-tech sensors, wearable devices for animals, and some serious data crunching to monitor everything from an animal's body temperature and heart rate to their activity levels and even their sleep patterns. This constant stream of data gives farmers incredible insights into the well-being of their animals. They can detect early signs of illness, optimize feeding schedules, and even predict when an animal might be ready to give birth. By catching health issues early on, farmers can reduce the need for antibiotics and other medications, which is a win-win for animal welfare and for us, the consumers. Studies have shown that PLF can lead to significant improvements in animal health, productivity, and overall farm efficiency. We're talking about healthier animals, higher quality products, and a more sustainable food system. Imagine being a farmer who can now walk into a barn and know instantly how each and every animal is feeling. Precision livestock farming is revolutionizing the industry, one data point at a time. All right, folks, let's talk about something near and dear to all of us. Food, specifically the future of protein. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mark. Are you about to ask me to eat bugs? And the answer might surprise you. Traditional meat production has its challenges, from environmental concerns to ethical considerations. There's a world of alternative proteins emerging that are delicious, sustainable, and packed with nutrients. First up, lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat. It's real meat, grown from animal cells without raising and slaughtering animals. And if you're adventurous, there's insect protein. Insects are efficient at converting feed into protein and require less land and water. They're packed with nutrients and can be incorporated into tasty dishes. But if bugs aren't your thing, don't worry. Plant-based alternatives are also exploding in popularity. From juicy burgers made from peas and beans to sausages crafted from soy and seitan, these options are getting so good, you might not even tell the difference. The plant-based meat market could reach $140 billion by 2029. So, whether you're a die-hard carnivore or a curious foodie, keep an open mind and an open stomach. The future of protein is diverse, delicious, and here to stay. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get futuristic. Imagine a farm where robots are in charge of feeding the animals, ensuring they get the perfect diet tailored to their individual needs. Thanks to automated feeding systems, it's becoming a reality. These high-tech systems use a combination of sensors, artificial intelligence, and robotics to monitor animal feeding patterns, adjust portions based on their growth stage and activity levels, and even detect potential health issues based on their eating habits. One of the coolest things about these automated systems is their ability to reduce feed waste. Traditional feeding methods often result in overfeeding or spillage, but these smart systems deliver precise amounts of feed directly to the animals, minimizing waste and saving farmers money. Studies published in the Journal of Animal Science have shown that automated feeding systems can lead to improved growth rates, enhanced feed conversion ratios, and even reduced environmental impact by minimizing nutrient excretion. Companies like SmartFeed are leading the charge in this space, developing cutting-edge technologies that are transforming the way we feed livestock. So the next time you see a robot whizzing around a farm, don't be alarmed. It's just the future of animal feeding, delivering precision nutrition and revolutionizing the way we care for livestock. Okay, let's talk about something that sounds super complicated, but is actually pretty cool once you wrap your head around it: blockchain. Now, you've probably heard of blockchain in the context of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but what if I told you it's also changing the game for animal farming? Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that tracks every single step in the journey of your food from farm to fork. It's like having a super secure and transparent record-keeping system that ensures the origin, safety, and ethical treatment of the products we consume. Imagine scanning a QR code on a package of chicken breasts and being able to see exactly where that chicken was raised, what it was fed, and even its entire family history. That's the power of blockchain in action. Blockchain also helps to prevent fraud and counterfeiting in the food supply chain. By creating a tamper-proof record of every transaction, it becomes nearly impossible to pass off low-quality or unethically sourced products as the real deal. This increased transparency builds consumer trust. The Journal of Agricultural and Environmental Ethics has highlighted the potential of blockchain technology to promote ethical and sustainable practices in the food industry. So, the next time you're grocery shopping, keep an eye out for products that boast blockchain traceability. It's a small step towards a more transparent and sustainable food system, one block at a time. All right, let's talk about something that sounds like it's straight out of a futuristic sci-fi movie, vertical farming. Imagine skyscrapers filled with lush green crops, bathed in the glow of LED lights, producing fresh, nutritious food year-round, regardless of the weather outside. But here's the twist. Vertical farming isn't just for fruits and vegetables anymore. It's also revolutionizing the way we produce livestock feed, and it's a game changer for sustainable agriculture. Traditional feed production requires vast amounts of land, water, and pesticides, putting a strain on our planet's resources. But with vertical farming, we can grow crops in vertically stacked layers, using up to 95% less water and significantly reducing our reliance on harmful chemicals. These indoor farms use controlled environments with optimal lighting, temperature, and humidity levels, allowing crops to grow faster and with higher yields. Vertical farming also allows us to produce higher quality feed that's free from pesticides and herbicides, which ultimately leads to healthier animals and safer food for us. Research published in the journal Agronomy for Sustainable Development has shown that vertically farmed fodder can have higher nutritional value than conventionally grown feed. So the next time you picture a farm, don't just think about sprawling fields and grazing animals. Imagine towering vertical farms growing the future of sustainable livestock feed, one layer at a time. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the fascinating and sometimes controversial world of genetic editing. Now, before you start picturing giant mutant farm animals, let me explain. Genetic editing tools like CRISPR are revolutionizing the way we approach animal breeding, offering the potential to improve animal welfare, enhance disease resistance, and even reduce the environmental impact of livestock farming. Imagine a world where we could edit the genes of chickens to make them resistant to common diseases like avian influenza, reducing the need for antibiotics and improving overall flock health. Or picture cows that are genetically predisposed to produce more milk while emitting fewer greenhouse gases. This revolutionary technology acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to precisely target and modify specific genes within an organism's DNA. The ethical implications of genetic editing are complex and require careful consideration. However, proponents of this technology argue that it offers a powerful tool to address some of the most pressing challenges facing animal agriculture, such as disease outbreaks, food security, and environmental sustainability. A study published in Nature Biotechnology demonstrated the potential of CRISPR to create pigs that are resistant to African swine fever. The debate surrounding genetic editing in livestock is ongoing, and it's crucial that we approach this technology with caution and careful ethical consideration. Enter the world of smart farms, where technology and tradition collide to create a more efficient, sustainable, and connected agricultural landscape. Imagine sensors monitoring soil moisture and animal behavior, sending real-time data to farmers' smartphones for data-driven decisions. The Internet of Things, IoT, is revolutionizing farming. Smart farming uses data to improve animal welfare, productivity, and reduce environmental impact. Drones with infrared cameras identify crop stress, allowing timely interventions. Automation includes robotic milking, automated irrigation, and self-driving tractors. By analyzing data from sensors and drones, farmers gain unprecedented insights. Smart farming can increase productivity by up to 30% and reduce water use by 50%. Smart farms harness data to create a sustainable and efficient food system. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From precision livestock farming and alternative proteins to blockchain technology and smart farms, it's clear that the future of animal agriculture is brimming with innovation and excitement. These 7 groundbreaking technologies are transforming the way we produce food, making it more efficient, sustainable, and humane. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more incredible innovations that will further revolutionize the way we feed the world. So what do you think about these amazing advancements in animal farming? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay curious.